In the outgone week, Ogun State House of Assembly screened another commissioner nominee, Engineer Taiwo Oludotun, a former commissioner for forestry, whose name was contained on the list of the last 10 nominees sent to the Assembly by Governor Dapo Abiodun in the last 48 hours. The state lawmakers, led by the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Bolanle Ajayi, who stood in for the Speaker, Olakunle Oluomo, acknowledged the nominees' laudable contributions to the development of the state during the first term and equally challenged him to do more for the progress and development of the state if confirmed by the Assembly and sworn in by the governor.
I just want to let you know not to relent on your effort. You work in two ministries, the rural development and the forestry. Whichever ministry that is given to you, make sure you perform excellently more than the one you've done. You know it is good to be good.
The lawmakers requested that if confirmed and sworn in, the nominee should bring to bear his experience as commissioner during the first term towards consolidating on the success recorded during the first term of Prince Dapo Abiodun-led administration in the state. According to them, there was need to implement more people-oriented programs that would turn around the socio-economic fortunes of the state for the better. Responding, Engineer Oludotun promised to do more in whatever ministry assigned through robust synergy with the legislative arm for the overall benefits of the people of the state.
I was able to impact my ability and my capacity in those ministries. Part of it is the recent tree planting and forestation that is going on in the Ministry of Forestry while I was there. I was able to turn the place around, and it is noteworthy and it is on record today that since the creation of that ministry, the forestation that we are going, we started during my tenure there, there have never been any tree planting of that nature. Today, I'm proud and I can boldly tell you that we were able to plant about 1 million trees, and we were able to curb all the anomalies in the forestry.